Let's learn how to cut out hair in Photoshop in this quick and simple tutorial. With your desired image open in Photoshop, first come over to the left-hand side and select your lasso tool. From there, make a very loose selection around the subject matter on your image. Bring the lasso to the edge and release it to connect the selection. Once your selection is complete, hit the Select and Mask button at the top. To better see your selection once refined, select a bright contrasting color from the color picker panel below, and then bring up the opacity so that you've got some contrast to work with. Select Refine Mode and make sure Object Aware is selected. With Object Aware selected, click the Select Subject button. Press OK. Next, click the Refine Hair button next to the Select Subject button, and under Output Settings, make sure the Decontaminate Colors box is checked. Feel free to refine your selection under the Global Refinements options. Play around with the Smooth slider, the Feather slider, and Contrast and Shift Edge until you're happy with your selection. This is definitely an optional step, but if you really want to refine that selection, you can use this to get things as accurate as possible. With Decontaminate Colors selected, make sure your output is set to New Layer with Layer Mask, and once you're ready to go, press OK. You can see now Photoshop has made a new layer with a layer mask applied to it. To better see the accuracy of your cut, select the background option and create a new layer that's sandwiched between the two layers on the canvas. Then come over to your paint bucket tool, select it, select a contrasting color just for now so that we can see the contrast, press OK, and then simply click to create a background color. For the finishing touches, we can now go into this layer mask by selecting it. Do not select the layer, select the layer mask, then select your brush tool, come up to your brush selection, make sure you select a brush with a very soft edge, and make sure you click the black and white reset and switch to black so that we can add to and remove from the layer mask. Use a combination of Command and Control plus or minus and the hand tool to zoom in to certain areas that you want to play around with. Select your layer mask, select the brush tool. Make sure your brush is set to 0% hardness so you've got a soft brush. Make sure your fill color is set to black so that we can remove from the mask, not add to it where you would use white. And to stop this harsh edge that's appearing, as you can see here, if I Command Z to go back, bring down the opacity of your brush so that you can be a lot more softer with your strokes. And as you can see here, you can slowly remove sections that haven't been removed from the Refine Hair section by simply slowly removing from the mask. I'm doing this very quickly, as you can see, but you'll take so much more time than I'm doing it. When you've finished, zoom out so that you can see the whole picture. And remember, at any time, you can select this layer mask thumbnail and go back in with the brush tool using black to remove or white to re-add and adjust accordingly until you're happy with the final cut. So there you have it. In the newer versions of Photoshop, I believe from 2021 onwards, you can use the Select Mask, Refine Hair, and then adjust the layer mask combination to cut out hair in a seamless, simple way that looks good and feels great on the canvas. I really hope you liked this tutorial and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, keep on designing, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.